Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of Dogecoin and need to transfer it from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025, you've come to the right spot. This process is straightforward, but staying secure is key in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your Doge like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Exmo. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and verify your identity. It's crucial for security in 2025's tighter regulations. Once you're logged into Coinbase, navigate to your dashboard and find your Dogecoin wallet. Look for the Assets or Wallets section. It should be easy to spot. Next, switch over to Exmo. Log in and go to your Dogecoin wallet page. Here, you'll need to copy your Exmo wallet address. Double-check this. It's a long string of letters and numbers, and one wrong character could send your coins into the void. Pro tip: always use the QR code if available to avoid errors. Now, back on Coinbase, select your Dogecoin balance and hit the Send or Withdraw button. Paste that Exmo wallet address into the recipient field. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to transfer and check the network fees. Dogecoin typically uses its own network, so ensure it's selected to avoid any compatibility issues. Before you confirm, review everything twice. Enter any required 2FA codes for added security, then hit send. Sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Exmo and verify that your Dogecoin has arrived. One last thing. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay safe from hacks. There you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Happy transferring!